Hey guys, Kill Switch here. For this episode of my Armory, I'm going to be showing off my headgear. First off, let's talk about protecting your face. This steel mask isn't anything special. It protects your face, and that's pretty much all it does. You can probably pick this up anywhere, and I definitely would recommend this to anyone that's entering a close quarter game or that simply just doesn't want to get shot in the face. Moving on to your eyes. I'm going to show you guys a different pair of goggles from what I used from the intro. These are Paramex V2G amber lenses. It comes with interchangeable headbands to temples, so you can decide what is more comfortable for you. I personally prefer the temples just because it feels a lot more natural and comfortable for me. Another reason why these are a good pair to get are because of the amber lenses. With that, it helps brighten up the area and makes it easier for you to see movement in the dark. They aren't too expensive either, and I definitely recommend this for anyone that just wants to see better in the dark and aren't a big fan of goggles. For my second pair of goggles, I have these Paramex V2G Plus, which are more of a goggle type, as you can see. These were my first pair of goggles that I've ever bought when I first started, and honestly they feel like a regular pair of goggles. The reason why I have these on my helmet is just in case if something were to happen to the pair I'm wearing, I can easily just put them over my eyes and protect them. Another nice feature of having them up here is personally, when I enter a close quarter zone, I just put them over my eyes and it just makes me feel just a little bit safer. Finally, let's cover my head. Here you can see I'm holding an OD fast helmet. It's a pretty nice helmet, to be honest. It's made out of ABS, you have side rails, Velcro on the top, and extra padding in the helmet. Another great feature about this helmet is the adjustable knob in the back. That way you can properly fit it to your head. Now, what makes this helmet so special? Honestly, it's affordable and it's a good helmet. I banged this off a couple trees and walls and it's still here. I would definitely recommend this helmet for anyone that are just starting off airsofting or for someone that's looking for a decent helmet. Now, one more thing before we go is the name tag in the back. I honestly love having my name tag in the back of my helmet. That way it's easier for you to identify me from behind. I definitely recommend these to anyone. That way it's easier to communicate with people and you know who you're playing with. So there you have it. That was my headgear review. All of the links are in the description box below. And if you have any questions or comments or any tips for me, just leave it in the comment box or send me a message. Thanks for watching, guys. And if you like my video, please share it, like it, comment, and subscribe. Also, if you want to go back to the menu, just click here now. Yeah! Click down it yet or what? Feel the burn.